Welcome back to Past Driving Test. Today, we're covering the White Oak MVA behind the wheel driving test route. I'll walk you through the pre-test checks, the reverse parking maneuver, and then the full driving route so you know exactly what to expect on test day. Before the driving test begins, the examiner will check your documents and your vehicle, have your learner's permit, vehicle registration, and insurance ready. Then they'll ask you to perform a few basic safety checks. Turn on your headlights. Turn on your left and right turn signals. Step on the brake pedal so they can see the brake lights. Turn on the hazard lights. They may ask you to honk the horn, and they'll visually check your tires and mirrors. Once everything is confirmed, buckle up and get ready for the first maneuver. Your test starts with the reverse two-point turn, also known as reverse parking. Here's what the examiner wants to see. Signal before pulling up to the space. Stop smoothly and position your vehicle correctly. Shift to reverse. Check your mirrors and look over your shoulder. Back into the space slowly and with full control. Keep the car straight and centered. When instructed, shift to drive and pull out safely. Take your time. Smooth and controlled movements are what matter. After the parking maneuver, you'll begin the main driving portion of the test. Nice job here. The student nailed the reverse parking. Smooth, controlled, and right between the lines. Don't be afraid. Stay calm and take your time. You've got this. Confidence and steady control make all the difference. All right, we're on the main route now. Keep an eye on how I drive through each part. I'll highlight every tricky spot when we get there. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe to Past Driving Test for more MVA routes and driving tips. Alright, here's a key spot. Signal on, full stop, quick check both sides, and then make your turn confidently. During the route, the examiner will ask for lane changes. Remember the sequence. Mirror, signal, mirror again, shoulder check, then move when it's safe. They want to see a clear shoulder check every time. When you reach the main road, the speed limit increases. Accelerate smoothly, but stay within the posted limit. Keep a safe following distance, at least 3 seconds behind the vehicle ahead. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe to Past Driving Test for more MVA routes and driving tips. This is a really confusing intersection. Vehicles come from every direction, and even though everyone has a stop sign, it can still feel chaotic. Be careful here. Follow the proper sequence. The driver who stops first goes first, and if you arrive at the same time, yield to the vehicle on your right. Notice the speed limit here is 30 miles per hour. Make sure you adjust your speed and stay within the limit as you continue. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe to Past Driving Test for more MVA routes and driving tips. Be vigilant with the road signs. The examiner will ask you about a few of them during the test, so make sure you're always scanning ahead and noticing every sign you pass. Be careful with the traffic lights here. The signal can change quickly. Always approach with caution, keep your eyes on the light, and be ready to stop safely if it turns yellow. This is that confusing intersection again. Vehicles approach from every direction, and even though it's an all-way stop, it can feel overwhelming. Stay calm, follow the right-of-way rules, and move only when it's your turn. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe to Past Driving Test for more MVA routes and driving tips. Stay within the speed limit here. Keep your speed steady and controlled as you continue along the route. All right, here's a key spot. Signal on, full stop, quick check both sides, and then make your turn confidently. This is a crucial point on the route. There's no signal light here, and you need to make a left turn. Always remember, oncoming traffic has the right of way. Be patient, watch the vehicles coming from the opposite direction, and only turn left when it's completely safe and the road is clear. You can see we have to wait quite a bit here until the road is completely clear. Be patient, watch the oncoming traffic carefully, and only make your turn when you're absolutely sure it's safe. Here we're entering the parking lot. Go slowly. People can be walking anywhere around this area, so stay alert and be ready to stop if needed. Don't be afraid. Stay calm and take your time. You've got this. Confidence and steady control make all the difference. Whether you're taking your test tomorrow or just starting to practice, this route preview will help you understand the flow, prepare mentally, and increase your chances of passing on the first try. Practice is the key to passing the test. Make sure to drive this route a few times beforehand so you're familiar with the area, signs, and speed limits. If anything is unclear or you need further explanation, feel free to comment and I'll respond. And that brings us to the end of the route. I hope this walkthrough helped you understand what to expect on test day. Stay calm, drive safely, and you'll do great. That's the full route. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to Past Driving Test for more routes and tips. Good luck on your exam.